Hey guys, I'm Young, and today I have a really cute gadget to show you guys, and it's in this little handbag. Lipstick, mobile phone, and a handheld gimbal. Zhiyun Smooth X. And the super special thing about Zhiyun Smooth X is that it is extendable. So you get another 26 centimeter. So it's almost like you get another sort of shorter arm to get perfect selfie. Yay! So now that I want to start vlogging, I've attached an external microphone, the Rode Wireless Go. So what I really like about Smooth X is that you can actually click on this handle to turn on the in-mobile phone camera app. So this handle not only controls the ZY Cami app, but also your mobile phone camera app. So I can turn it off and turn it on, and also take a photo as well. Inside the app, you can control the zoom in and zoom out, and if you click the mode button twice, then it rotates like this. Then it's perfect for TikTok. So inside the app, I just want to quickly show you what menu they do have. They do have hyperlapse at 1080p. And time-lapse. The usual video function with the beauty mode that you can actually adjust the mode. So this is beautified mode, and this is none. But the front camera is limited to just 1080p. But the back camera, 4K, is available, which is perfect. And the photo function, you have the timer and that beauty mode and some other settings, such as video setting and the gimbal setting. So at the gimbal setting, let's see if walk is a bit different, and let's do run. There's a pan follow mode, lock mode, roll, and pan following mode. I have to mention that there's no tilt motor, which means if you actually move it like this, up and down, up and down, the mobile phone would go this way and that way. So it's not quite the 3-axis gimbal that you're used to seeing. One important mode that Zhiyun has advertised is the gesture mode here. And when you do that, you're supposed to actually use the palm, and it should recognize the palm and start following you around. However, in the world of Android, and I do like my Galaxy phone, the engineers are still working on the app to provide the update. But Zhiyun said iPhone gesture mode works fine. So maybe I should start thinking about getting an iPhone, maybe.
Another feature in the app is 180-degree panorama mode. Even at handheld, the stitching worked very well.
So now inside the app, there is this secret function, which is called Smart. Then you can make a really short fun clip to quickly upload on your Instagram or TikTok. So I just need to scroll to this way, and there are many different templates. I thought exploration template looks really nice. So the video tutorial is still shown. Even if you suck at editing, you still have chance to create something looking fantastic. So let's first take the 2.9-second video.
But my puppy is not terribly good at acting.
Let's try again. So I had a fun day trying out the new gadget, Zhiyun Smooth X, And I think this device is for someone who is already using selfie stick for self-vlogging, but wants something that's definitely a lot more smooth. And because the handle has all the buttons, which actually can use shutter for in mobile phone camera app. I love that. And also go vertical with a touch of button. I think the design is very, very smart. So if you want sort of luxury semi-gimbal type selfie stick, then find out more by clicking the link down below, and when you use the code YOUNG, then you get a small discount. So I'll come back with some other very interesting gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you!